Baby nappy or coconut? Coconut.
I think this is baby nappy, but I like it.
Baby nappy is disgusting.
I
Next.
love baby nappies.
Det må du ikke sige højt.
Det smager vildt godt.
Okay, what's the next one, Louis?
It is Tutti Frutti and Stinky Socks.
Prøv lige at give mig den der boks.
Tutti Frutti
Giv mig
og
lige den
Stinky
boks.
Socks.
Giv mig
Okay.
lige æsken. Ja.
Can I put this one in my mouth?
Så siger du welcome to Tutti Frutti. Og
Welcome to Tutti Frutti
Du skal
af
lige...
Dronningen.
Når den kører stadigvæk.
Ja, den kører
Det er lige meget.
Nå.
Okay. This is an experiment. Tutti Frutti or...
Og stinky
okay,
socks.
stinky socks.
Ja,
Or barking monsters.
okay.
And this is Putte. She's everything in between. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This is very nice. No stinky socks at all. And Putte likes it too.